YouTube. This is Dee Dee for Dee Dee's Crafts. This is National Craft Month. Yay! And I think everybody should go and get some crafts this month, especially they're having some good bargains and good sales for the clearance products on sale for National Craft Month. And you should go to Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and OrientalTradingCompany.com, and they have some really good crafts on sale for this month and really good deals for this month only for crafters. So if you love crafting, you love making cards, you love drawing, you love painting, you love anything that has to do with crafts, you should get on in there and get your crafting supplies. I thought I would show you this very small video of, kind of small, alright, short video of some products that I made, that I bought. I bought these stickers at Dollar Tree. And these are really pretty stickers. I love nature, and I love springtime, and I love birds. So they chirping in the air, and I love planting plants and seeing them grow and bloom. And I can't wait till the grass is green again. I love springtime. I can't wait to do a lot of spring projects. And Wednesday is the first day of spring, so I thought I'd, show you these stickers. I've used these on a couple things already, as you can see. It was fun to use these stickers. I bought these at Dollar Tree, and they do have really good arts and crafts stuff there. A little bit good. Sometimes they have really good stuff there, actually. They have pencils and, color pencils and markers and crayons and scissors and sometimes cardstock in there, really good craft paper. And sometimes they have really good stickers and embellishments. So it depends which one you go to. Some don't have it, some do. Depends where you go to. Also, I want to show you these other stickers that I bought at Michael's the other day. Well, not the other day, 2 weeks ago. And I've been using these on cards and on stuff. And my favorite one is I love ladybugs. That's my favorite one because I do love ladybugs. I do love butterflies as well and other little insects. And I put them on my envelopes right there, as you can see right there. It was fun using these stickers on different projects. And I can't wait to do more projects with stickers because I like stickers so much. And also, I wanted to show you where I keep these little mini glitter shapes. I got this little container at Staples, and it was only 25 cents when I got it during the school time. And those what they look like right there, little mini shapes. I've used them on a few projects that I have been, working on lately. And I thought I'll show you where I keep those at. And at a later date, I will show you my, where I store my punches now, my mini punches, because I have some mini. I'm going to buy some more mini punches. I actually love mini punches, actually. They're fun to use and exciting. And I can't wait to do some more videos. And in the next couple of days, I should have my project of the month done and my project of the week done. Both should be done in the next couple of days so I can get that done over with so I can move on to some other projects that I've been working on. And also, for that on to the end of this month, you will see the National Craft Month sign that I made. It took me a few days to do it because I wanted to make sure it was, perfect and perfection. And also, I'm working on some other projects that I'll be working on my, I can't think of anything right now, but I will be working on it soon. So have a great day. Keep crafting no matter what.